Alright, so this is how you fold a paper crane. First you start off with your square of paper like this, and then flip it over and fold it so that the flat edges are together like this, and then do the other side. Fold it flat edge to flat edge like this with a pattern on the outside, and then fold it this way, corner to corner, with the pattern on the outside. And now you're gonna flip it this way and have the blank side out and fold tip to tip. Now you're gonna open it and then kind of poke the middle tip here, and it will naturally want to fold into a smaller square like this. So you're taking these 3 points and bringing them down to this bottom one, and it becomes a smaller square. Now you're going to take these little flaps here on the top and fold it to the center line, and then crease that down. Do that on the other side. Crease it down. Now we're going to flip it over and do the same thing, and make sure that the part that you're folding, the bottom is open. So you're going to take this edge and fold it there, and then same on this side. And then next you're going to take this tip here and fold it down to here, make a little crease, then unfold it. Then you're going to take these two top flaps, open it up, and then open this bottom. And then following this line, you just naturally let it fold up, and then let these two flaps fold over the top here. And just kind of straighten out this part here. It will naturally want to fold into this shape. So now you have a diamond, and then we're going to do the same on the other side. So we're opening up this bottom, following the fold line you've already made, and then just kind of gently following those folds that you've already made. And then crease it well. Okay, so now you're going to take this top edge and fold it into the center here. Crease that. Then you do the same on this other side. Now we're going to flip it over and do the same thing. Okay, so now you have this, and what we're going to do is you're going to open it this way. So you have your two wings here, and what you do is you bring the head up, and then you fold it up there. So you're folding it all the way to the end there. And then you fold this side up. And then you can take one of the ends and you turn it into the head. And you open it up. And then pull both sides of the crane so that you get a little bit of air in the body here. And then if you want to, you can fold your wings down, or you don't have to. Alright, so that's the finished crane.